Hello, my name is Dean McQuillan. By profession, I am a minister, pastored for 14 years, and currently am the Nevada State Director for Fellowship of Christian Athletes. Also the character inspirational coach for UNLV football. The reason why I got involved almost 2 years ago was to put forth an effort on my own time to help raise funds for my passion, my ministry. If any of you know what it means to go out and raise hundreds of thousands of dollars for your passion, you know what I mean. I've always said I'd rather drink whiteout than do fundraising. Well, I have found a company, an opportunity, a great product that has removed the stress of having to go out and spend countless hours, effort, and even money to raise a dime. What I'm doing now, I'm using a product called Hello World. And by me simply changing my email behavior, I have hundreds of people who have become very interested in what I do and have built a very large organization literally stemming around the world and around the nation. I now have a part-time income, a second stream of income, a plan B, whatever you want to call it, now making more in a residual income every month, month in and month out, than what most professional people make working 40 to 60 hours a week. So if you're looking to find an opportunity that could do the same for you, to remove some stress in your life when it comes to your finances, maybe you're looking for a product. Maybe you're just interested in what we do as a company with Hello World and our products, our video streaming products. Maybe you're looking to brand your company, your ministry, your service, or even yourself. I can't think of a better tool. I'm very happy to give testimony of what this company means to me. God bless and have a wonderful day.